My name is Marty, and I'm the manager here at Arco Self-Storage in San Bruno. I've been with the company for over 8 years. We're family owned and operated and have been in the storage business since 2004. We're located at 777 Glenview Drive, just off of Interstate Highway 280, one block off of San Bruno Avenue and Highway 35. We have drive-up and inside units. The sizes range from 6 feet by 3 feet to 9 feet by 24 feet. All of the units are on the ground level for easy access. We have 35 security cameras on the property. Each tenant has its own unique code, which allows them to enter the property and give access to their own unit. Access hours are 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. every day, including weekends and holidays. We carry a full line of moving and packing supplies, including various size boxes, mattress covers, bubble wrap, moving blankets, and hard-to-find dish and glass packs. We are very proud of our safe and well-maintained property. Just give us a call or stop by and check out the facility. And please don't forget to check out our reviews on Yelp. Thank you for choosing Arco Storage. We really hope to earn your business.